The figure below shows a triangular prism with dimensions as shown. Calculate Part A. The angle between the faces F, B, C, E and A, B, C, D. Part B. The volume of the prism. The given figure is as shown in this diagram here. This is the given figure. This is the given figure. How to find the angle between the faces F, B, C, E and A, B, C, D. That is part A. Angle between faces F, B, C, E and A, B, C, D. How can we find the angle between the faces F, B, C, E and A, B, C, D? A, B, C, D. The angle between the faces F, B, C, E and A, B, C, D. So we can sketch these other diagrams. We can sketch these other diagrams here. This is ABF. ABF. Diagram number 2. This is ABF. 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 This is diagram number 2. So now we can use, in this diagram ABF, this is the angle. This is angle B. The angle between faces FBCE, FBCE and ABCD, the angle that is required is this angle here. The one we want to find out is this angle. And we have sketched it in this diagram 2 here. This angle is what we want to find. This angle. So how can we find this angle? We are going to use the cosine rule to find this angle. So when we use the cosine rule, we can say that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A, where A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 6, A is equal to B. And when we substitute these given values here, our B is 5, our A is 4, our C is 6. So we substitute. So here we can say that 4 squared is equal to 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 bracket 5 times 6 cosine B 16 is equal to 25 plus 36 minus 60 cosine B and this is giving us a 16 is equal to 61 minus 60 cosine B. 60 cosine B is equal to 61 minus 16, which is equal to 45. Cosine B is equal to 45 over 60, which is equal to 3 over 4, which is equal to 0.75. Using our calculator, B is equal to 41.41 degrees. So the required angle is 41.41 degrees. Now we can handle part B. Part B. How can we find the volume of the prism? Volume of the prism. How can we find it? We can draw another diagram. This is diagram 3 here. You can draw diagram 3 here, and this is A, this is A, this is F, and this is B. This is B. And we have already found this angle here. So now the length here is 12. The length here is 12. This is the length of the prism, is 12. So now we want to find the volume. We want to find the volume over this figure here, which is representing this one here. So now we can use the formula for finding the volume of prism. We can say that volume of prism is given by cross sectional area over the triangle at the end times the length of the prism. So that is a cross-sectional area of the triangle at the end is this one here, and the length is this one here. So now this is given by the formula S minus A S minus B S minus C. This is a square root. Then we multiply by the length, where S is given by a half A plus B plus C. Half A plus B plus C. So our half A plus B plus C is a half times, this is 4 plus 5 plus 6. So we can say that when we substitute, we want to substitute with A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 6, length is equal to 12. So we can say that S is equal to a half times 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to a half times 15, which is equal to 7.5. Now volume is equal to 7.5 minus 4, 7.5 minus 5, 7.5 minus 6. This is square root times 12. This is equal to 8.4375 square root times 12. This is giving us a 9.9216 times 12. 9.9216 times 12, which is giving us a 119.05 centimeters cubed. Thank you for watching.